I'm here today to explore a real hidden gem, a new member of our rental resort collection. I'm in the Dominican Republic, and this is the Eco Retreat Dominican Republic, all up in the north of the island. This is a very, very special place. It's no luxury, but it's the return to nature. That's why we call it also Eco Retreat. There are only 12 cabanas, 15 rooms in 12 cabanas. You can privatize it, and I recommend you to come here and to feel this very special magic. See you around.